What they did for you.
Sure. Okay. My name's Emily. We worked with 123 Remodeling to help remodel our kitchen and also replace all of the cabinets in our bathrooms, laundry room, and linen closet. My favorite part's definitely the kitchen. It feels really special now. I don't think we had a vision coming in, so it was really helpful to work with the design team and the project team to help us find the anchor pieces that really help set the vision. We went with the designer to look for stone, and we found the countertop and the backsplash, and that really helped drive all of the other decisions. Yeah, the light fixtures were a really big upgrade. 123 Remodeling really just helped transform our home. I love walking into the kitchen now and getting to see it. It just feels much more special. I like to take little random pictures and send to my mom just to be like, look mom, I have a special kitchen now. I love how much it shifts throughout the day with like the various colors that come in with the lights. Really thankful. I mean, it was a really easy process from start to finish. The team was great. I've already started to refer people to them.